Zhangjiagang, a top 3 city among China's top 100 counties, located along the Yangtze River, embracing both the river and lakes. It combines modern prosperity with ecological beauty. As a key hub city in the Yangtze River Delta, its urban lighting served not only as a public utility, but also as a vital showcase of green development. In the past, 24,000 old sodium lamps and Zhangjiagang faced issues such as high energy consumption and high maintenance costs. Problems included low light efficiency, severe light decay, and a lack of smart controls. Aging cables led to frequent faults, creating a clear contradiction between lighting quality and the demand for low-carbon solutions. In response to the dual-carbon policy, Zhangjiagang partnered with Shanghai Sansi to launch a smart lighting renovation with zero financial investment through the EMC model. Sansi provided LED energy-saving luminaries and a smart management platform, achieving long-term energy savings through energy cost hosting. The renovation covered the main 7 horizontal and 5 vertical roads in the urban area, replacing old sodium lamps with LED luminaries and simultaneously installing a smart single-lamp control system. Over 24,000 streetlights upgraded in this project. Brightness increased by 30%, energy consumption reduced by 60%. The smart platform enables remote monitoring, fault warning, and intelligent dimming. After the upgrade, the streetlight illumination rate exceeds 99%. The single lamp system online rate is over 96%. Smart management not only reduces operational costs, but also makes nighttime travel safer for citizens. Both the visual appeal of the cityscape and its overall livability have been enhanced. Shanghai Sansi, driving the future of intelligent urban lighting.